Okay, in this video we will continue here GDP MP, that is gross domestic product at market price. So consumption, private final consumption expenditure, G government expenditure, plus I investment expenditure, and X minus M, that is net exports. So here I will explain investment expenditure in detail. That is the main concept. Whole expenditure matters is based on this investment expenditure. What does it mean, investment expenditure? It means addition to real capital stock. Investment means addition to real capital stock during a year. Investment expenditure is incurred on the purchase of capital goods. It is also termed as gross domestic capital formation. Okay, so investment expenditure is further classified into fixed investment and inventory investment. Fixed investment and inventory investment. So here we will study about only investment expenditure. It is we either we say investment expenditure or gross domestic capital formation, both are same. So gross domestic capital formation is further divided into two: fixed investment and inventory investment. Okay, so fixed investment includes three things: GDP, business fixed investment, gross fixed investment, and investment on residential construction by households. Okay, you can see here business fixed investment, government fixed investment, investment on residential construction by household. Okay, I hope you can, it is visible to you. You can see clearly. And investment expenditure, that is, it is also known as inventory investment, that is a change in stock, closing stock minus opening stock. Change in stock, it includes finished goods, semi finished goods, and raw material. And what stock include? Stock includes stock of finished goods, semi finished goods, and stock of raw material. And change in stock is equal to closing stocks minus opening stock. So we'll study here business. What does it mean, business fixed investment? What does it mean? Means fixed investment, that is gross domestic fixed capital formation, is it refers to expenditure. Fixed investment, it refers to expenditure by producer on the purchase of fixed asset. Okay, that is known as fixed investment. What does it mean, fixed investment? I say it, gross domestic fixed capital formation. Okay, so it refers to expenditure on the purchase of fixed asset only, that is machines, plant and machines. Okay, fixed investment is further divided into three: business fixed investment, that is government fixed investment, and investment on residential construction by households. Okay, what does it mean, business fixed investment? It is defined as expenditure on fixed asset. बिजनेस फिक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट, एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन फिक्स असेट, ऑन मशीनरीज, आपका फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग परचेज करना हो, इक्विपमेंट परचेज करना हो, मशीनरी परचेज करना हो, ये इसके अंडर में आएगा. गवर्नमेंट फिक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन investment, government fixed investment. Okay, it is expenditure government spend on roads, um, household, hospitals, schools, roads, dams. जो खर्चा गवर्नमेंट करती है, तो दैट इज गवर्नमेंट फिक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट. Okay, then main component is investment on residential construction by household. Okay, so construction of residential houses, जितने भी residential houses आएंगे वो इसमें investment आएगा. Okay, so residential, it is amount spent on construction of flats and residential houses. Gross public investment, that is done by the government, expenditure by government on hospitals, schools, roads and dams. Okay, change in stock, I told you, it is the difference between the change in opening stock, closing stock and opening stock of inventories like raw material, semi-finished good and finished goods. Now come to net exports. Net exports, I told you, it is the difference between the exports and imports. Exports and imports. Exports, what does it mean? That is value of exports, okay, and value of import, it is the difference between the value of export and import. Expenditure by foreigners, exports में कौन आएगा, expenditure by foreigner on the purchase of domestic product, and value of export import is equal to expenditure by residents on foreign product. Okay, so these were the components of expenditure method. So how you can remember it? GDCF, fixed investment, GDFCS, gross domestic fixed capital formation, that is fixed investment. We have to remember fixed investment, what is business investment, residential construction and public investment. And gross domestic capital formation includes fixed investment plus inventory investment. Fixed investment plus inventory investment. In this way you can remember these formulas. Now how you will remember formula? GDP MP. You have to calculate GDP MP. Okay, so you will write PFCE, private final consumption expenditure, plus GFCE, government final consumption expenditure, plus gross domestic capital formation, plus net exports. Net exports. If net exports is not given, net import is given, so take the value in minus. Okay, and second step is you have to find national income, NNP FC. So GDP MP, first you will calculate GDP MP. So gross to net you will go, you will deduct debt, domestic to national you will go, you will add NFIA, and factor market price to factor cost you will go, you will deduct NIT. In this way you can remember this formula.